For factoring a trinomial from the form x squared plus bx plus c, we should find at first two integers, a and b. These integers should be a plus b will give us the b of the middle, and a times b should give us the c of the end. So the result will be x plus a, x plus b. In an example, we could find x squared minus 3x minus 10. This is equal to two numbers that multiplied will give us 10 minus 10, and sum will give us minus 3. These numbers could be minus 5 and plus 2. So we write x minus 5, x plus 2. This will give us the first x squared, x times x. Minus 5 plus 2 will give us minus 3x. And minus 5 plus 2 will give us minus 10, times 2. And another example we could use is x squared plus 2x minus 8. Two numbers that multiplied will give us 8 and sum will give us plus 2. This could be 4 and 2. The one that is going to be negative is the 2, because 4 minus 2 is 2. So we write x plus 4x minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2x, and 4 times minus 2 will give us minus 8. The next trinomial is a little bit more difficult. Ax squared plus bx plus c. We would use a method named diamond method. In which we will find two terms that multiplied will give us AC. We will continue using A and B as the terms we need to find. And sum would give us B. It's called the diamond method because we can organize it like this. Here we're gonna find the A and here the B. But what we are going to do is multiply first this A times this C, and we're going to put it here. Then this B, we're going to put it over here. And we're gonna find the two integers, and we're gonna represent them with the A over them. So it's A over A and A over B. This would give us the total result. What we need to find is, for A and B, is two numbers that sum would give us AC, and multiplied will give us AC, and sum will give us B. We're gonna use some examples to understand it better. We're going to solve this trinomial, 6y squared minus y minus 2. First, we're going to draw our diamond method. We multiply 6 times minus 2 is minus 12. The two numbers that we will find should give us as result from a multiplication this minus 12 and is minus y, so it's minus 1 here. And the two numbers we're gonna find should give us, by summing the two numbers, minus 1. So two numbers that multiply would give us 12, and sum minus 1 is 4 and 3. As it's minus 1, we're gonna put the minus in the 4. So minus 4 plus 3 will give us minus 1. This we're going to represent it with a 6 behind. And we're going to simplify the two fractions. Here we're gonna put 2 enters and here 3 halves, minus halves. With this, we could get the two parentheses we would need to solve this trinomial. As simple as this. The number above the minus 2 would have the y. So we write it 3y minus 2. And over here is the same. 2y plus 1. A second example to understand this better could be 24x squared minus 47 x minus 2. We draw our diamond and we write in here the result of the multiplication from 24 minus 2. That will be minus 48, and over here the b, minus 47. Two numbers that multiply will give us minus 48, and sum will give us minus 47. This is a bit easier, but minus 48 and plus 1. Minus 48 times 1 is minus 48. Minus 48 plus 1 is minus 47. So we just put 24 in here and simplify the two fractions. This cannot be simplified, but in here we can have 1 minus half. The two parentheses will stay like this is the x, this is minus 2, here is 24x plus 1.